Are you an Automation Anywhere A360 developer looking to practice few of the use cases? Then please watch this video till the end. Hi all, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the community platform of Automation Anywhere. So I keep on hearing from the developers, the aspiring RPA developers, that they are able to learn the concepts, but they are not able to practice the real-time use cases. So can you suggest us any such platform where they can practice the use cases, real-time use cases, and get benefit out of the concepts that they have learned? In this video, whatever I'm going to share is mostly on Automation Anywhere A360 platform. Let me show you how you can practice more use cases. So if you head over to community.automationanywhere.com, you'll get this a landing page where you have different sections to navigate to: product updates, challenges, community edition, academy, Automation Anywhere Academy, where you can upskill yourself, then generative AI related blogs or discussions, right? So the very first thing to address the question of the developers, where and all you can practice the real-time use cases. Once you go to community.automationanywhere.com, once you go under guides and click on developer challenges, you'll get this page where you have the different challenges, and you click on challenge pages. This is specifically for the challenges that the automations which you can practice. So here, if you see down, if you scroll a bit, you'll see they have given various challenges, and they have also marked the difficulty level of the challenges as well. So as you keep scrolling, you get the difficulty level increases. So this is very basic challenge, where when you click on this basic login, what you have to do is you have to just enter the username, password, and click on login button here. If you see on the screen, so you have to build a bot which goes onto this, which launches this page. Click on email address, enter the email address, enter the password, and click on sign in button. This is the practice of your recorder command. So if you have learned the recorder command, you can practice here with this page. And these are the details. You can store them in a credential vault. In that way, your credential vault concepts will also be clear, right? How to use credential vault, how to use the recorder. So these are the basic packages which you can use here. And once you have built that bot, you can see the existing solution as well. They have also mentioned the solution tutorial here, and you can compare what is the difference between your solution and their proposed solution, and then you can try to learn if there are gaps. Similarly, you can proceed further with rest of the challenges, online grocery or ordering, and then if you keep on practicing, then the difficulty level increases, and so as your learning will also increase. So there are a lot of different use cases here listed for you to practice, and you'll get some confidence once you practice and get through these. So this is one area where you can practice. Then you can go to collaborate section, and then you can go to developer forum. In that forum, people keep on asking questions, their problems. Then you can go through the topics, you can try to learn those. If you are not able to understand, try to see how people are answering the questions, what were the challenges faced by other developers. So it's a learning, or other people asking question, you get to learn the scenarios which they might face in their real world automation, all right, either their projects. So you can see that as well. See, for example, here SAP performance slowness. So some user is experiencing the SAP slowness, what to do, and what can be done to improve that from bot level as well. So there are various other questions listed on the forums. There are discussions, there are questions, so you can follow these. And then you have events. You can tap on the upcoming events. You can join those. You can as per your interest, right, which you want to learn. For example, there are various other online events and offline event also happening. You can join depending on your interest and the availability. Then there are groups. You can join the groups based on your interest. For example, migration related group, community edition related group, API task, generative AI. You can join, and there are discussions happening around these groups. So you can contribute to the discussion, you can ask questions, you can learn from the existing members of the group, right? This is how you collaborate, you take advantage of the community which is there for you. Then you have here in the section you have developer blogs, so you can read the blogs and articles that other people's contribute to the community. You can learn from their experience, so you can follow these blogs as well. This will not happen overnight. Make it a habit of allocating some time daily to go through the community portal and read some of the articles, read some of the forums, right? So that is how you learn things and from others' experience as well. So learning is not always by learning a concept through video format or through an article format. It is like learning from the community as well. I hope this have answered a lot of queries. In case you have liked this video, please share it with your friends and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.